In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your assignment in Coursera's machine learning course. We'll walk through the exact submission flow so you feel confident from start to finish. Start by locating the assignment within its course module. From the course homepage, open the relevant week or section and select the assignment card. This takes you to the assignment workspace where you can read the prompt and any guidelines the instructor has provided. Take a moment to review the instructions so you know what format and length are expected. Next, switch to the My Submission tab. This is the area dedicated to your work, and it's where you'll either type your answers directly or upload a document you've already prepared. If you don't see the tab at first glance, scroll a bit. It's usually positioned near the instructions and rubric. If you prefer to compose your response on the platform, use the online text editor. Type your answers clearly, follow any formatting cues the assignment mentions, and keep the structure simple so it's easy to read. If you paste from another editor, consider pasting as plain text to avoid unexpected formatting. When writing code or equations, use the formatting tools provided in the editor so they render properly in the preview. If you've written your work elsewhere and want to submit a file, click Upload File. Choose the document saved on your device and wait for the upload to complete. Use a clear file name that reflects the assignment, and make sure the file format is supported. Common formats like PDF or text are usually fine, but check the assignment page for specifics. If your document includes images or charts, ensure they're embedded so they appear in the preview. After you've added your content, you'll see a preview page. This is your chance to verify that everything looks correct. Check headings, line breaks, special characters, and any figures. Read through the first few and last few paragraphs to catch any cutoffs, and scan for typos or missing sections. Before finalizing, confirm that the submission is your own work. Coursera typically provides a brief statement or checkbox for academic integrity. Acknowledge it once you've reviewed your content. This step protects both you and your learning community. When you're satisfied, click the Submit button. Give the page a moment to process and look for a confirmation message to be sure your work is in. If the preview didn't match your expectations, return to the My Submission tab to make edits or re-upload before submitting. And that's it. Your assignment is now uploaded.